Barbara from Pearland has a question about a vapor barrier.
Well, her mother's was removed right after the storm came through and all the flooding. Barbara writes, contractors have already installed the insulation and sheetrock. And this is a brick house built back in 1970, just so you know. And one area is shielded by a patio and cover, and we've since heard that the city will red flag the house if the vapor barrier is not put back. And she says her mother is 94 years old and wouldn't be able to afford, the fines that would come with this. Tom, is it true? Are there fines, or is this false?
If the house is put back together and they pass it, it's fine. No, I haven't heard anything about red flagging, or you don't have to volunteer any information. Just say, we put the house back together.
That's it.
Hurricane Harvey did a lot of damage to a lot of people's homes, and I just don't think this is going to show an ugly face if the house is all put together and they figure it's okay for occupancy. Don't worry about it.
Tell your mom to rest secure.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
All right. You can rest secure with answers to your questions when you send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com, and check out these other videos we have, and we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel.